Instagram DM issues, DM not loading issues. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to learn how we can solve DM issues on Instagram, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you have the Instagram application, then you come to the DMs page. If you happen to have a couple of people on your DMs but the DM is not loading, there are a couple of reasons why this happens and a couple of ways to fix it. First of all, if you're an Android user, long press the Instagram app icon, then you'll find the I button. When you tap on it, it will take you to the app info page. For iPhone users, there's no other choice than to uninstall and reinstall the app. I will tell you right away. But for Android users, you don't have to do that. Scroll down to storage. Make sure to clear the cache files and also make sure to clear the data. This will log you out of your account and reset the application. Now, after you do that, do not log in, just try to open up your Play Store or your App Store. Check if the Instagram app has an update. If it does, then make sure to update your Instagram app to the latest version. Also make sure it's not the issue with your Wi-Fi. Now you can open up Instagram, try to log in. If it still doesn't load, then the issue is most likely with the Instagram servers, so you might want to wait until that gets fixed. Hope this video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.